Hey guys, so Doogee is currently working on its flagship series, the Doogee V30, the V30 Pro, and the Doogee V Max and V Max Pro. These devices would rival the Ulefone Power Armor 18T and the Armor 17 Pro. According to online speculations, the Doogee V30 Pro and the V Max Pro would feature the Dimensity 900, the same chip that powers the Ulefone Power Armor 18T, while it seems all the devices in the series would feature a 120Hz display. Now, I think the V30 and the V Max would either feature the Helio G99, that is of course if they are 4G rugged phones, or the Dimensity 700. Anyway, I don't know if this phone render you're seeing is the Doogee V30 or the V30 Pro, or perhaps the V Max or the V Max Pro. Doogee didn't specify. I guess we'll have to wait for a few weeks for Doogee to officially release more information about these devices. Now, while I have no idea about this exact phone model, I could still talk about its design. So this render reveals that the phone has a wall-drop notch display, a leather rear, aluminum frame. On the right side there's a power button and volume keys. There might be a customizable key on the other side because that's basically the configuration of most rugged phones. And at the back there's triple cameras and I think quad LED flash. If I'm to guess, I believe that the main camera would be a 108 megapixel camera because the Dimensity 900 supports a 108 megapixel camera. And of course, the Ulefone Power Armor 18T and the Armor 17 Pro both features a 108 megapixel main camera. And according to online speculations, the upcoming flagships, the V30 Pro and the V Max Pro, would be able to shoot 4K videos, would support Wi-Fi 6, would also support Bluetooth 5.2, a UFS 3.1 storage, and many more. So the upcoming Doogee V30, V30 Pro, V Max, and V Max Pro are expected to be launched at the end of the year. But before then, I believe that most details about these upcoming flagships would be reviewed. Anyway, what do you think about these upcoming flagships from Doogee? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.